Hello, dear English learner. First of all, I would like to thank to all of you who are watching this video. Actually, this is a beautiful English learning channel of Nasir Sir who has been trying to make you a good speaker in English.
Good morning. Okay, so you tell me, yeah, Anjali, that is not pronunciation, that is not pronunciation. That is called pronunciation. Is it clear? That is pronunciation. Pronunciation. Try. Repeat after me. Pronunciation. None. Yes, generally people confuse to use it in a sentence, and they say they get a mistake and they say pronunciation. That is not pronunciation. That is called pronunciation. Yes. Yeah. Yeah. But when you follow the dictionary of Oxford, if you follow Oxford dictionary, then there is written pronunciation. Not pro. Pronunciation. So you are from Vietnam. If you don't mind, may I know that what's your occupation? I mean, what do you do? Are you a teacher? Wow. We know that no one is perfect. No one is perfect in this world. That's why we are still learning this. It's your question that how to improve our communication, how to speak English fluently. Am I right? Okay, so many times I have explained about it that every day, if we talk to each other like this, as we are talking here, if we follow these rules and regulation, we will improve our English speaking skill, and definitely one day we'll have a good communication in English language. But right now I'm saying this, but from tomorrow, maybe you will be busy at your work and you will not come to talk to us. Then how is it possible? Before sleeping, we dream a lot. We think a lot that from tomorrow I will start speaking English with my friends, with my colleagues, and with my neighbors like that. But in the morning, when they get up, they forget everything that what they have dreamed before sleeping last night, and they don't talk, they don't practice. So without practice, nothing will happen. Nothing will new happen in our life. So we have to focus on practice. If we practice, we can do anything. What you want to do, what we want to do. So first priority we give over practice. So you tell me, in a day, how many hours do you practice to speak English fluently? Sometimes I think that there are many members in our group, and they only want to chat to each other. They don't want to talk to each other. They only want to chat with each other. They type sub sentence and they type sub sentence. It is not good, because if you want to speak English fluently, then we have to open our mouth. If we don't open our mouth, how can we improve it? Only we can improve our writing. Our writing is, we can improve it by typing. By typing, we can improve our writing speed. But if we want to speak English fluently, then we have to speak every day. So if we practice every day at least 10 or 20 minutes or 30 minutes or for an hour, then I think we can improve it. Ma'am is here and she is really busy. And so, what's your opinion about it? How many hours do you give to speak English? You don't have fixed any time. Whenever you have time, you just try to read. You just try to remember some word meaning. And yeah, it's right. And we have lack of words, lack of word meaning. So when we get any words, that time we think, oh, I know what is the meaning of this word. But that time we don't try to use from means that from that time we don't try to use in our daily life. That's why it doesn't come in our life that we can use next time with my friends or anyone. So when we get any new words, that time we have to make some sentences with that word. If we are able to do that, we can remember any word. And after that, we will enhance our vocabularies as well as. So who is that? So you tell me, how are you? I didn't ask you, how are you? What's going on? Oh, you are busy. Okay, you are in your office. Okay, okay. At first, you do your work and come soon. We are waiting for you. So tell me something. Why are you silent? Anjali ma'am, please tell me something. Oh, so you want to improve your listening? Okay. So you want to improve your listening power. He left. I think there is network problem. That's why. Or sometimes it happens here too. So why did you leave that group immediately without giving me any information? I was so sad. That's why I was asking what happened, why she left, but no one replied. Only they told me to go in previous chatting, in previous message. Then you will come to know about that why she left. But I wanted to search, but there were a lot of messages. That's why it is impossible for me. How can I check?